Hello friend, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how to drop in Apple Map, on your iPhone. So let's start. So first you look your maps. This is the my map on my phone. So you can just tap here. Now open. Now you can look your location where you want to drop your pin. All right. So for example, I want to drop pin here on this location. Just zoom. So now I am to pin here. So you can just tap few seconds and hold. Yeah, now coming. There is showing some option like destination, how long time, and download and move. If I want to move the pin, then you can visually I can move from here, and there is showing some option. Also, if I want to share, then you can just this button like share button. Then you can share with anyone this location according to your drop it pin. All right. And if you want to like direction, how long you want to save, then you can just tap this direction icon. Yeah, now showing the direction option. If you want to check like walking distance, how long? 17 minutes. There is not public transportation not available. If you go with bicycle, cycling direction is not available. Only walking and car. So that's it. And please let me know if you have any query. And please subscribe this channel and comment like this video. Thanks. Bye bye.